All right, hello, good morning, good evening, and good night. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic, because in today's video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about KLIP. We're going to be talking about its ex-dividend date, which is today, October 27th. So if you didn't buy before today, unfortunately, you're not going to be receiving this dividend. But if you did, you will be receiving this dividend of 69 cents, roughly 70 cents. We'll round it up to 70 cents right there. And this was actually a dividend that we predicted a couple days ago on our channel, making a video about KLIP, estimating their ex-dividend date right here. And you know what? It was pretty much bang on. By the way, gaining 1 subscriber right there. Cool. So, yeah, we pretty much estimated KLIP's dividend. It was bang on that 70 cents. We estimated it to be between 65 cents and 75 cents, roughly between there. I thought it was going to be slightly less than the September dividend, which it came out to be. So that is well expected, and that is a good sign. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about KLIP's dividend. We're going to talk about reinvesting it, where I want to put it, either in the TSLY YieldMax option income strategy ETF or into QQQY. I'm going to dive into why I will choose one of those. But if you haven't yet done so, please do subscribe. As you can tell, we gained 1 subscriber just even in the recording of this video. So we're up to 3,183 subscribers. Got to stay on my toes with you guys because you guys keep subscribing, which I love to see. So keep doing your thing and I'll keep doing mine. So as you can tell, KLIP is paying a 70-cent dividend. And just off the bat, what I want to do is I want to bring up actually the calculator, because what I want to do is I want to calculate this this dividend with the current amount of shares that I actually own. Now in my real life portfolio, you can see here, I'm going to KLIP. If I can find it right here, I own 104 shares. I'm currently down about 10% on my position. That is not pricing in today, because today KLIP's, obviously their share price fell because they took out that dividend, but I'm down about 10% or so. I'll be receiving that dividend, so that's all good. My average cost per share is about $9.04. Pretty similar to the last video. Nothing's changed since then, but we have 104 shares, and I'm going to multiply that by their dividend, which is 0.6966, and that will give me a dividend distribution of about $72.45. So that is what I'll be receiving for KLIP. That is a fairly good dividend. And then what I plan to do with that is actually reinvest it back into TSLY. The reason why I'm not going to reinvest it into QQQY, look, this would be perfect. Would this not be perfect, guys? Look at this. So KLIP pays a dividend. It goes ex-dividend on the 27th. It pays on the 31st. If everything worked out to plan, let's say KLIP paid on the 31st, then what I would do is I would invest into QQQY, because they have an ex-dividend date of November 1st. So getting this dividend on the 30th of October, reinvesting it on November 1st, getting paid on November 6th, and then reinvesting back into TSLY, where they have their distribution schedule here. You could see it is on the, where is it? It is on the 8th. The 8th is their ex-dividend here. Unfortunately, it is a picture, so I can't really highlight over, but yeah, going back here, you can see that TSLY's is on the 8th of November. Now, one thing is with KLIP, unfortunately, and a lot of you guys can attest to this on the channel, I get a lot of comments towards this, KLIP never really pays on this payment date. They always pay a day or two later, and so that's what I'm going to expect. If I do see a dividend in my account on the 31st or the 1st, I will be buying QQQY, but instead, if I don't, I will be buying on the TSLY distribution schedule. So I'll be looking to buy some YieldMax TSLY option income strategy ETF. I'm looking to really just invest my KLIP dividends where I see the best value, and currently that is in TSLY. TSLY pays a dividend. If I'm going to go back here and I'm going to find them, they pay a dividend of roughly 61%. So I'm just loading the YieldMax ETFs right here, and TSLY has obviously gone through a really big downtrend over the past little while, with Tesla as well falling pretty hard. But with that being said, it does present a decent opportunity in the share price, and that is just a good opportunity for me to take dividends from one high yielding ETF and put it right back into the other, so that way we can definitely compound those gains a lot faster. Now, of course, my Wi-Fi has got to load, and that's definitely taking a second here, but QQQY is another fund that I've kind of been having my eye on here. and would really love to invest, whether it be my YieldMax dividends, it might look to be my personal money that I will be investing into QQQY, because the dividends from KLIP don't necessarily come in that matter of time. But I think it's a very interesting fund tracking the, the Nasdaq 100 or Nasdaq 500. Yes, the Nasdaq 100. It writes 0 date to expiry option premium contracts. And so that is really cool because they're able to collect a lot more premium. As you can see, this pretty high dividend, and hopefully, I wonder if this will be sustained for the long term. I guess we're about to find out. And as you can tell, my Wi-Fi is not even loading, so I can't even do anything. So that's cool. So I just wanted to bring you guys this little dividend update for KLIP. This 70-cent dividend, it's coming a little bit lower than the previous month's dividend. I do understand that, and so it's expected to see maybe your October monthly income drop a little bit. Hopefully with the recovery of KWEB, if we're able to see one over the next month, we will get a bigger dividend within KLIP and also a bit more capital appreciation. I do believe that when the stock goes down, the underlying dividend distribution also goes down, and that's why I think we're getting lower and lower dividends with KLIP. We need to see a recovery in KWEB. We need to see a recovery in KLIP in order for those dividends to rebound and get back up to these 83, 86 cents and even $1 level. So with the time being, I'll be reinvesting my dividends back into TSLY and QQQY when I get the opportunity to do so. I will make a video when I do reinvest my KLIP dividends into TSLY. I hope you guys will stick around for me for that journey. It's been a good one here, been growing our monthly income every single month. As you can see, it's going up every single video that we make. I've been going up from literally $100 over the past couple months all the way up to $173.62, and that is due to the reinvestment of KLIP, due to the reinvestment of TSLY, and also the reinvestment of QQQY with their awesome dividend yields. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video and got a sense of what I'm going to do with my KLIP dividend. Do me a favor and comment down below what you're going to do with your KLIP dividend, and I definitely get back to you, and I'd love to hear your opinions, because maybe you got a better stock, a more interesting stock than even TSLY that I could show on this channel and show to our other subscribers, and we can all invest together. So if that sounds good, please do remember to subscribe. We're up to 3,183 subscribers, so please do subscribe. Hit that button if you haven't yet done so. It turns a nice gray color from a nice red. So with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Enjoy your dividend investing, and I will see you guys in the next one.